Hello everyone. Today we're going to do our last virtual learning set of notes for financial literacy, and today we're going to talk about monetary incentives. So your assignment, again, paper and pencil, take notes to complete your assignment. Be sure to write down questions during the video that you might want to ask later. During the notes and guided practice, you can pause and rewind as needed. You can also go back to the video during your assignment if you need to refer to it. And then once completed with the notes and guided practice, submit your independent practice. And don't be afraid to contact me for help. So today we're going to talk about monetary incentives, which we kind of talked about earlier in the year when we talked about percents. The first one that we're going to talk about is sales. So sales are when an item is on sale, the cost of the item is reduced for a period of time. So a store might have a sale that says, or it might be like Thanksgiving sale or whatever. It could be everything is 50% off, or every item is 20% off, whatever it might be. They are reducing the price. How it works is a store discounts an item and a customer pays the discounted price at checkout. Sales are usually a percentage, such as 20% off. Maybe it's a big sale, it's 50% off, whatever it is. Sales and discounts are a reduced price. Advantages, customers pay less for the product and they receive the discount immediately. So as soon as you check out, you receive that discount. And a disadvantage is the retailer makes less profit. So obviously if it's on sale, the store is not going to make as much as they would if it was regularly priced. And the next one we're going to talk about is rebates. So rebates, when a customer uses a rebate, they pay the full cost of the item and then submit a reimbursement to the manufacturer, to whoever makes the product. So usually they mail it in. So how it works is the customer mails a proof of purchase and a form to the manufacturer, and then they receive the reimbursement within a few weeks. So for example, when I bought a phone, they gave me a rebate. I paid full price for my phone, but then I mailed in proof of purchase to the manufacturer and they sent me a check in the mail a few weeks later for that reimbursement. So I got like, I don't know, $100 off or something like that. An advantage is the customer pays less, so I didn't pay full price. But the retailer does not lose money because the money comes from the manufacturer. A disadvantage is you have to wait a period of time to be reimbursed. And the customer could forget to mail in the rebate. So if I would have lost the rebate or I would have lost my proof of purchase, I would have been out $100 because I've lost it or I forgot to mail it in. That's a rebate. So it's just whatever rebate you get that money off, but you don't get it right away. You have to wait. The next one is coupons. So when a coupon is used, the value of the coupon is deducted or subtracted from the price of the item. Some coupons are a percentage, while others are a dollar amount. Okay. The customer receives the discount at checkout. The retailer submits the coupon to the manufacturer for the reimbursement. Okay, so advantages is the customer obviously pays less for the product and the customer receives the discount immediately. So if I use a coupon, I'm going to get that money off right away when I pay. And then a disadvantage is a customer could lose the coupon. Maybe I forget to take it to the store. And then the other one is coupons require customers to purchase a minimum quantity. Okay, so sometimes if you have a coupon, they're gonna say you have to spend $50 in order to use your coupon. Or maybe you have to spend $25 in order to use your coupon, but you have to purchase a minimum amount before you're able to use that coupon. Okay? So those are the 3 different types we're going to talk about. Sometimes if I say sales, I might say discount, rebates, and coupons. Those are the items we're going to talk about today. So use your knowledge of monetary incentives to answer the questions below. It says, calculate the discounted price on headphones at all 3 stores. So my headphones over here are $160, but if I go to Better Buy, I'm going to get 20% off. So I need to figure out what 20% off $160 is. And what I'm going to do is to figure out 20% of a number, I need to multiply, but I need to change my percent to a decimal. So 20% is 0.2. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom to show my work. So I'm going to kind of go back and forth. Headphones, Better Buy. So I'm going to take 160 multiply 20%, which is 0.2. And I'm going to move my decimal ones. I'm going to get $32. So I'm going to save $32. So I need to take 160 minus 32. 8, 2, 1. So at Better Buy, I'm going to pay $128 for my headphones. Now if I go to Save Lots, I get a $30 rebate. So all I have to do is take 160 minus $30, and I'm going to pay $130 at Save Lots. If I go to Greater Deals, or Great Deals, I have a $25 coupon, which means I'm going to take 160 minus 25. And I'm going to spend $135. So which store will allow me to get the best deal? Well, obviously Better Buy. I'm going to spend the least amount of money. And they will give me the best discount. Okay. All right, the next one. The family is deciding between 3 different cars that are available at 2 different locations. Use the information to complete the table with the discount and answer the questions below. Okay, so some of these, if you guys notice, I boxed and circled some. Those you guys will see on one of your assignments. Not necessarily the first assignment, but maybe the second assignment. So dealership A is going to give us 8% off. Dealership B is going to give us 3% off and a $1,500 rebate. Okay, so I am going to start with vehicle 1. Let me use a different color. And I'm going to erase this work from before so I have more room. All right, car number 1. Dealership A. I get 8% off. Remember, 8% as a decimal is 0.08. 3% is 0.03. So dealership A, vehicle 1, I'm going to take 15,800 multiply 0.08. 8 times 8 is 64. 46, 12, and I have to move my decimal twice. So 1,264 is the money I save. So In the boxes, I'm just putting the discount. Okay, so my discount at dealership A, I'm going to save $1,264. If I go to dealership B, I get 3% off, so I need to multiply by 0.03. 8, 16, 24, 17, 4. So I'm going to get $474, but they're also going to give me $1,500 rebate, which means I'm actually going to save $1,974 at dealership B. All right, vehicle 2, let's use green. Vehicle 2 is worth $19,400, and dealership A is giving me 8% off, so I multiply by 0.08. 32. 8 times 9 is 72, plus 3 is 75. Move my decimal twice, and I should get $1,552 off at dealership A. At dealership B, I'm going to get 3% off. Which is $582 plus, I should have put a plus sign over here, plus my rebate of $1,500. And I'm gonna save $2,082 at dealership B. Okay, so on one of your assignments, you guys are gonna have to do the same thing for vehicle number 3 and figure out what are the sale prices for those. Now we're gonna go ahead and answer questions A and B. It says, by purchasing vehicle number 2 at dealership B, the family will pay how much? Okay, well, vehicle 2, so this is question A. Vehicle 2 is $19,400. In dealership B, I get $2,082 off, so I'm going to subtract $2,082, and I'm going to get, oh no, 81371, $17,318 is what I'm going to end up paying for vehicle number 2 at dealership B. Okay, question B says there was a blank price difference between the dealerships on vehicle number 3. We didn't do vehicle number 3. That will be another question you guys will answer in your assignment. So you will find the difference between your discounts. Let me know if you have questions on your assignments, and good luck.